Good day, Sir Joseph Ray Castro. I'm Abrasaldo Christian, and I will report the background of the badminton facility and equipment, the ground rule, basic skills, and lastly, the officiating of the game. First, background history of badminton. The world fastest racket sports comes from the ancient game of battledore and shuttlecock. Became Pune in British India and was named after the England Badminton House in the 1870s, founded under the Badminton World Federation in 1934 and Olympic sports since 1992. It includes 5 events and matter because it tests speed, reflex, and skill power more than just power. Facility and equipment. Played on a 13.4 meter court, 5.18 meter wide for singles and 6.10 meter for doubles, with a net 1.55 meter high at the post and 1.524 meter in the center. Standard measurement that guarantee fair equal play everywhere. We use lightweight racket around 80 to 100 grams for fast swing. Feather or plastic shuttlecock designed for precise flight. And gum soled court shoes that are the most important safety gear to prevent slip and knee injury during quick moves and jump. Ground rules. We use rally scoring where every rally earns a point. Games to go 21 points and you must win by at least 2 and matches are best of 3. All designed to keep the game fast, fair, and free from lucky wins. Serve must be underarm and below the waist, and a let is called to replay. The point it play is interrupted, so no one lose point under unfairly. Rules that exist to maintain order, safety, and equal opportunity for everyone. Basic skills. Everything starts with a right grip, forehand like a handshake, backhand with the thumb flat on the handle, which is the foundation of every good shot. Footwork and always returning to center court are even more important. The hitting hard because badminton is won by who reaches the shuttle first, and mastering the 5 basic shot: clear drop, smash, drive, and net shot give you the variety and control needed to win points consistently. Officiating of the game. A clear system of official keeps the match fair. The umpire runs match and makes final calls. A service judge checks serves are legal. Line judge call in or out, and the referee handles dispute and discipline. Official matter most because they ensure skills and effort decide the winner, not bias, arguments, or unfair tricks, keeping the game honest and respectful for everyone.